look, I don't care what your skin issue is, by the end of this video, I promise you, you will know all the information, all the solution, the tricks, the hacks that you need to do to solve almost any skin problem you are facing that's destroying your confidence. Whether it's dry skin, flaky skin, bumpy skin, acne, I don't care. I want you to have flawless, smooth, radiant skin so you can feel as confident as possible. Let's hop into this. Number one, let's talk about bumpy skin. This is something I dealt with, especially in my teenage years, like 16 to 18. It's also known as chicken skin or keratosis, and it's when your skin basically builds like these rough patches, almost like this, like tiny little bumps that makes your skin very rough. Most of the times, these are just dead skin cells that are clogging up the hair follicles, which is causing those little bumps. So one of the best ways to basically fix this is by exfoliating. Now, you can use an over-the-counter exfoliator to kind of treat the problem, but if you really want to get rid of it, you're going to need something more powerful, such as microdermabrasion, which you can get done at a dermatologist's office, or you can buy a specific tool online to do that at home. Or number two, using chemical peels. This is the more affordable alternative, but it's a stronger exfoliant that's gonna help level out your skin. Number two, it's hyperpigmentation. See, again, I have a lot of experience with this because a lot of brown and Asian and like that olive skin tone color people, we're the ones that tend to deal with this a lot. And basically what this is where you start getting skin discoloration or different colors or different patches of colors on your skin. This most of the time happens from sun damage, and I don't think I need to keep going any further. You know where we're going with this. Down the same route that I've told you a million times you should already be doing. Sunscreen. It is such a simple solution. See, me, every single morning after I'm done cleansing my face, I grab my sunscreen and I add a protective layer to my skin. And look, I work in an office all day long, so I'm not really outside. However, the sun still seeps through my car window, still seeps through my office window, and it still causes damage and some of that hyperpigmentation. So if you want that nice, even, beautiful skin tone color without any unevenness or weird patches, apply sunscreen. This is going to ensure also you're fighting off fine lines, wrinkles, and making sure your skin looks on point. The sunscreen I use is from our sponsor, Geology, and I don't think I have to say too much about this. Like, yo, I've been using Geology for like over a year and a half, and it's not just me. Yo, they have over 200,000 customers all saying the same thing. They've won multiple grooming awards from Ask Men, from Men's Health, all of them claiming that Geology is one of the best skincare systems in the market because unlike other skincare brands, they develop products for your skin type to make sure you get the results that you're looking for. So on top of their skincare routine, they also just dropped a sunscreen, and that sunscreen, just like their skincare routine, it's on point, it's effective, but again, don't just take my word for it. Look at the awards they won. Look at what the customers are saying. If you want a powerful sunscreen, if you don't have a sunscreen, I want you to click that link down below and pick one up because this is one of those essentials that if you don't have one, this is like toothpaste. Like it needs to be in your bathroom, and why not have the best of the best? If you guys want to check out Geology, it'll be linked down below with the special code so you guys can get 20% off. Number three, oily skin. So obviously what happens is that your oil glands are overproducing oil, which it kills your confidence. You feel dirty all day when your skin's greasy. The best way to fight this is an astringent toner. Now, there's a lot of different toners that you can use. A lot of them, these astringent ones, will have alcohol, which could be a little bit rough on the skin. If you want to go a natural route, you can use witch hazel. Witch hazel can be used as a toner. It's natural. It has naturally astringent properties. It's also naturally anti-inflammatory. And what it's going to do is it's basically going to suck up or slightly dry up the skin to ensure none of that shiny, greasy coat stays on your skin so you can have that matte finish all day long. Number four, dark eye circles. See, dark eye circles suck because one of the things that you need to understand is that when you're connecting with somebody, when you're having a conversation, this is what they're looking at, this eye contact. So if you got dark bags under your eyes, you're just gonna look tired, exhausted, almost like on low motivation. You wanna be the opposite of that. You wanna feel energetic. You wanna bring life to conversations, and to do that, your eyes need to be popping. To do this, if you're getting dark eye circles, obviously the best solution for this is sleep, but if you're not getting enough of this, I want you to grab 2 spoons, throw them in the freezer, leave them there for about an hour. Once those things are cold, I want you to put them right under your bags. Basically what's happening is that you're getting a lot of stagnant blood under your eyes, and since the skin under the eyes is so thin, you see that dark bag forming underneath. So all you want to do is lower down the inflammation and promote some blood circulation, and those cold spoons will do just that. Number 5, big pores. So if you have that oily, acne-prone skin that's not firm because you don't take care of it, what happens is the skin, it's kind of like a rubber band, and it starts losing elasticity if you don't take care of it. So the looser and less firm the skin is, the bigger your pores will appear. Well, to fix this, you want to use retinol. This has been scientifically proven to be able to firm up the skin, almost like constricting up the skin, and a lot of high-end moisturizers have this retinol ingredient. So you want to find a moisturizer with retinol, and I suggest you apply it at night right before going to bed. You sleep through it the night, and then the next day your skin's going to feel firmer and tighter. Shoot, you see what's happening here? This is a specific eye cream that went viral on TikTok. The lady had massive bags under her eyes because her skin's so loose. She used a product that contained retinol, and I mean, you're seeing it happen live. Like, this stuff actually works. Then what basically happens is, as the skin tightens up, your pores appear to constrict, or as if they're getting smaller. And finally, number 6, having blackheads on your nose. Now, the last thing I want you to do is to start squeezing out all that mayonnaise. I know it's satisfying, but it ain't gonna help you. Not only are you gonna infect the area around and promote more blackheads to form, you're also scarring the upper layer tissue of your skin, which could be damaging on the long term. So what you want to do instead is use pore strips. It's the easiest and safest way to remove the blackheads without any damage. You're just basically going to apply it wet, let it dry, and then gently remove so you can start seeing it take effect. Boys, those 6 problems almost every dude faces at least once in their life, and I don't want you to have to deal with it. I dealt with it, so I want you to jump all that and get to that perfect skin you want. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Geology. It'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.